Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am super excited to have you here. Today, I'll be sharing 4 games and activities to help you improve your public speaking skills. Game number 1 is called Continuing the Story. This game is best played in a group. You sit in a circle with 4 to 10 people. One person gets up for about 20 seconds to continue a story. After your 20 seconds are up, you sit down and you let the next person continue telling that story. The goal of this game is for you to develop your listening skills and for you to use your creativity to develop stories. Remember, if you're the next person speaking, that story needs to continue making sense as it unfolds. Game number 2 is called the Hollywood Story. The Hollywood Story game can be played in a small group or on your own, just in front of a mirror. In this game, you need to tell a story using as many action verbs as you can think of. An action verb is a type of verb that describes physical or mental actions. In other words, you need to express physical or mental actions. In this fun public speaking game, for every action verb that you use in your story, you need to act up that word using your body language and your gestures. Here, you're trying to mimic or match the action verb that you're using to your body language. Oh, and by the way, speaking with your voice and your body language actually makes your speaking more compelling. Game number 3 is called Storytelling in Pictures. This game right here is my all-time favorite game. When it comes to storytelling in pictures, you need to put about 5 photos in a folder. You can use animals, events, people, sporting equipment, you name it. In order for things not to get way too complicated, you need to make sure those photos look as simple as possible. It could be an image of a volleyball, for example. After you've put all your 5 images in one folder, turn on your big screen or your full view and click through one image at a time. As you click through each photo, the speaker will share a story using 1 to 3 sentences related to the image that shows up on the screen. Public speaking game number 4, which also happens to be my last one, is called What I See for You Is. This game can be played in smaller groups, in bigger groups, or by yourself. All you do is stand up in front of the room, pick a friend that's also in the room, and then you introduce that friend. However, instead of introducing that friend using the normal way, because everyone in the room already knows that person, what you do is you create a future life for that friend. And then you introduce that future life story to the group. I quite like this game because here you'll be sharing a story about their future using ideas and dreams that you talked about in the past. You're basically telling a story about your friend, bearing in mind their future wish list. With a little bit of imagination, you can actually put a massive smile on everybody's faces. All 4 games that I've just shared with you can be played in class with friends and family, including children. Now, I want to hear from you. Which one of these 4 public speaking games are you going to try out next? If you like this video, be sure to subscribe, share with a friend, and hit that like button so I can continue making more videos like this just for you. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you on the next one.